Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Good morning, good morning, good morning. The market fell to the ground. The market has fallen to the ground. The market has officially fell to the ground. The market has hit the ground. It's crazy. It's crazy. The market has officially went and hit the ground. It is ridiculous. It's crazy. Just now, the report, I believe the job claims reports came out, and it showed up pretty negative for the most part, if you look at it that way. And the market tanked just now, so we're dropping down. I think SPY is down almost $3. SPY is down $3 at this moment. And if you're on Instagram, you want to see my screen, join onto my YouTube channel. Join onto my YouTube channel. One second. Go over to my YouTube channel. All right, if you want to see my screen, go ahead and go to my YouTube channel. You can see my screen there. There we go. All right. All right. If you want to see my screen, go to my YouTube channel. But listen, the market just fell down, down, baby. The market went tumbling down off of this data. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. How's everybody doing today? How is everyone doing today? What is going on with this market? Let's find out. Okay. We talked about this 2 weeks ago. Well, a couple of days ago, we actually talked about this. And the next few days are going to be the big ones. Okay. The next few days will be the big one. Okay. Well, the next couple of weeks will actually be the big one. Okay. Share the screen. Share this. If you're on YouTube, share this link out with like 5 of your people. 5 people that you want to chill with when you go on vacation. Share this out with them. If you're on Instagram, if you want to see my screen, come on over to my YouTube channel. If you want to see my screen. If you want to see my screen, come on over to my YouTube channel. This is another edition of Good Morning Stock Options, episode 13. Everybody, we're going every single day. We're going talking about this market and see how this market is going to pay us. Okay? See how the market is going to pay us. Now, anybody in call options overnight, you just really literally got destroyed just now. So if you were in call options overnight, you got destroyed. If you're in a 1 week, 2 week call option, you were destroyed. Okay. If you have something out for 6, 7, 8, 9 months, no worries. You're in a good place still. Okay. You're still in a good place. If you're on Instagram, you want to see my screen, come on over to my YouTube channel. All right. Come on over to the YouTube channel. But so what happened today? What just happened? So at 8:30, we got some data that came out. The jobless claims came out. And they wasn't what was expected. They were 216 versus a 234 estimate. And the market did not react positive to it. So what you will see, I'm gonna show you in a moment. You're gonna see that the market just completely just dropped. As soon as 8:30 came, the report came out. Boom, the market dropped. So the next question is, what does this mean? What does this mean? Why is this something to be concerned about? Okay. Why is it something to be concerned about? And what right now, at this very moment, why is the market concerned? Why are people slowly getting out of their positions? What is actually going on? We're going to talk about it in a second. All right. We're going to jump into it. We're going to jump into it. All right. So share this out with 5 of your people. If you're on Instagram, you want to see my screen, go ahead and go to my YouTube channel. If you want to see my screen, if you're on Instagram. Also, if you're on Instagram, you want a free course, type in the word free. I'm going to send you a free course, okay? All right, so let's talk about it. Let's go. Let's start off. Let's go. All right. Good morning, Sam Johnson, Andre. Let's see what we have here. Good morning, Miss Toya Griffin. Good morning, Miss S. Hawkins. Good morning, Ja Reynolds. Good morning, Sam. Andre TT. Good morning. Good morning. Your successful podcast, Philip B. Good morning. Good morning, Nicole Bell. Good morning, Lance. Good morning, William. Good morning. Caught spot drop 65% on the day. Yes, AK. Good stuff yesterday. AK caught spot drop 65% on the day yesterday. Let's go. It closed at 446. I think it will retrace the price. Man, you Philip B, you own it, Philip B. My exact thought process. I want to see the price action for the next. I want to see this price action literally for the last 30 minutes. Got to see what this price action is like. Good morning, Friday. Calvin, what's up, big dog? What's going on? Good morning, Trini. How you doing? How you doing? Listen, everybody. Listen. So what's going on right now? Right now, the market has inflation fears again. Okay? There are inflation fears again with the market right now. This is why the market is kind of slowly creeping down. SPY's going down $2 to $3 a day, trying to shoot back up. Not a lot of buying pressure, more selling pressure. Okay, and the market is slowly pushing down. And then today, when the jobless claims came out, boom, jobless claims came out. The market tanked even more. Why? If I give you a whole high level piece of what's going on, this is exactly what's going on, everybody. Right now, people are concerned about inflation. They see inflation possibly trying to creep back in. If inflation creeps back in, what happens to the market? The market is going to potentially go down. If inflation creeps back in, what's going to happen to the market? The Feds on September the 19th and the 20th will potentially raise rates. And that's what we do not want to see. We do not want to see, if we want this market to go up, personally, we make money if it goes up or down, trading stock options. We don't care, right? But if you want the market to go up and you have long-term calls, or you're just a long-term investor, you want to see the rate hikes stop. You don't want to see rate hikes anymore. We want to see rate hikes stop. Right now we pause, and we want to see it pause come September 20th. And what we want to hear from them, we want to hear from the Feds. We want to hear the Feds say this out of their mouth: we are done with rate hikes. That's what we want to hear come out of the Fed's mouth. We are done with rate hikes. Rate hikes are done. Zip, zero. No more rate hikes. That will make our day as far as a long-term investor, or you have some long-term options out there if you want the market to go up. That could potentially start a rally to the upside. And like I believe SPY SPY will be breaking all-time highs, putting pressure on that 500 level come Q1, Q2 of 2024. That's what I believe. Okay? But in order for that to potentially happen, we need the Feds to say, hey, rate hikes are done. We cool where we are. Inflation looks good. We're not worried about it creeping up, so on. All right? So that's why this market has dropped today, because indicators leading up to what the Feds will do came in negative today. So let's put up SPY right quick. Let's put up SPY. Let's show you this drop. Okay, so look right here. So for all the new traders, if you've never traded before, right? If you're a new trader, you never traded. When data comes out, it normally comes out around 8:30 in the morning, all right? As you can see right here, the market was already dropping overnight, right? It was dropping. And then as soon as 8:30 comes, the market goes from 4,443 all the way down here to 4,4277. Crazy drop, right? If you were in puts, man, congratulations. You waking up to a lot of money if you were in puts. My AMD just took a major hit because AMD fell down as well, almost $3 as well. So my AMD play took a major hit, but I have roughly 170 something days before that one is before that play is going to be before it expires. So I'm pretty good with that one. Now, Philip B said something very, very, very important in the chat just now. Philip B says he believed that it can retrace back up to that 446. Now, this is probably why Philip said that, right? This is why Philip said that. Philip said that because he understands that the play to the downside has already happened. The play to the downside happened this morning. So now, since that play has happened, we don't go chasing that play. We want to wait and see what's going to happen, right? Sorry about that. We want to wait and see what's going to actually happen. Will the market continue to go down, or will it bounce up and go back up to that 446? That's a great question. Sometimes we see when a major fall happened over data in the morning, then over the day trading, next thing you know, boom, it goes straight back up. Okay, so we have to see right here, if you're trading the opening bell, what we have to see right here, we want to see how much consolidation we get on this 15-minute time frame. Okay, how much consolidation do we get on this 15-minute time frame? We fell down just now. We fell down right to 4443. This is the level I had drawn yesterday, right? This is a key level right here that we came to right here. 443, $443. That level right there is drawn. It's a key level from yesterday. We fell right to it and we stopped right here. Fell right to it and we stopped right here. What we can see at the opening, we can see a big boy green candlestick to the top at the opening. As soon as the market opens, we can see a big boy green candlestick to the top. That could potentially happen, all right? Or what we can see is a big boy red candlestick to the bottom, or we can see consolidation. I think if we see consolidation around here, it's gonna be a nice waiting game for at least 30 minutes to an hour, okay? Or if we have that big push up to the top, that's people buying in on a better entry point. They're getting a better entry point to go ahead and buy into, all right? But there's a lot of inflation fears going on right now, everybody. A lot of inflation fears going on at this very moment, okay? The market is definitely fearing inflation. And as you can see right here also, I'll make this. Also, everybody, on your 1 year, 1 day time frame, everybody should have this right here drawn. Draw this trend line right here. And if you can see what's happening right now, if you know about the actual formations that the market formed, we are basically forming a flag, everybody. We are starting to form a flag on the 1 year, 1 day on spot. Okay, you can kind of see a flag formation forming right here. Boom, 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 boom. Got the downward trend right here is the blue one, upward trend blue one, and you can see we're inside of this level right here. So we're inside of this flag right now. Okay, now one negative thing that happened. Okay, this is what I want you guys to look at. This is a negative thing that happened right here. We made a lower high. So we came up here to this 459. We pushed all the way down here. We pushed back up here and we stopped short of 459. That is a negative sign. That's not a good sign. That means we're making lower highs. And we do not want to see lower highs. We want to see higher highs, right? We wanted to actually go and attack and break this 459 or 460 area, but we did not. We fell short. So what we're looking to now, what we're going to be looking for now, let me clear all these lines off. And I can redraw these lines. Boom, boom, boom. Clear drawings. Man, make me clear. I don't want to erase my trend line. So I'm gonna just leave as is. So now we're going back downward. We're in a downward motion right now. So what we could possibly see is this. We can be coming right back down to this trend line potentially, okay? Now, if we fall short and start to push back up, to go back up here and test this trend line, that's a powerful move as well. But how the market is actually operating right now, market just took off. How the market is actually operating right now is, with inflation being so high, we could potentially push back down. We definitely could potentially push back down. But let's see. Remember what I said about this first candlestick. Look at this first candlestick, everybody. Look at this first candlestick. This is the first 5-minute candlestick when the bell opened. Is it going to go crazy push up or crazy push down? Let's see. Or are we going to consolidate? What you thinking, Philip B? What you thinking, Philip? Good morning, Tammy. Good morning, Alicia. Good morning, Hood's worth move out cleaning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Misha. Good morning, Adventures. Good morning, Ronald. May go down because of the reports about Apple in China. Interesting. Yeah, I think he said something about a sell-off. Stock sell-off would shave more than. I seen something on Apple earlier today. More than 40 points off the Dow price. Wow. Let's take a look at this. Now, what are we looking at? I hadn't drew my levels yet. What are we looking at though? We're looking at, we know this is a strong level, right? But we're looking at there's selling pressure, people. There's selling pressure right here. The market tries to go up, boom, 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 selling pressure. Let's see what happens. I'm not a trader before 10:30, so you want 10 o'clock, so you won't see me in this craziness right now. I'm not a trader before 10 o'clock. I do not trade before 10. But just look at this. This is fascinating. Right now, see everybody, this is the part of trading that you have to love to see, right? You got to love to see right now. This is going to tell you about price action. This is about to tell us how strong is this 443 level? How strong is this 443 level? Right? Chris, why is this 443 level strong? I'm glad you asked. Let me show you. Okay, let me show you. Look at this. We're trying to push the sellers. We've tried to push up right here. The sellers are pushing us right back down. The sellers are pushing us right back down. Let's see. All right. So right now we're in this 443 represents a 1 hour demand zone. Okay? A 1 hour demand zone. This 4 hour represents that. 1 hour demand zone. It's a 1 hour demand zone and it's actually a 4 hour demand. It's the bottom of a 4 hour demand zone, top of a 1 hour demand zone. So right here. Boom, 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 boom. 443 to 442. Right here. 443. Boom, boom, boom. Down here. Just 442 area. Can make it a little bit longer. Run out of room. Boom, 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 boom. All right. This is a demand zone, everybody. This is a nice demand zone. Okay? Strong 1 hour demand zone. Now, this is a strong 1 hour demand zone. Guess where the supply zone is at, everybody? The supply zone is right here at 4465 down to 4445. So we're right here. The place we just fell from. Boom. That's what we playing with, everybody. That's what we are right now. And if you know my motto, we do not do what? We do not buy puts in the demand zone, and we do not buy calls in the supply zone. Okay? We do not buy puts in the demand zone. We do not buy calls in the supply zone, everybody. These are 1 hour time frames. Okay? 1 hour time, 1 hour demand zone, 1 hour supply zone. Okay? Demand zone down here, supply zone right here. So therefore, Chris, what are you saying? Chris is not buying puts unless we break 442. Chris is 442. Okay, I will be more I would more so play calls out of here and set stop losses. Okay, because we're at a strong demand zone, 1 hour time frame. Because you know I love my 1 hour, 4 hour time frame. Now look at this, everybody. Look at this candlestick. What did we say before the opening? We say it's either going to be three things. It's going to shoot up big boy green candlestick, or going to fall down big boy red, or we're going to consolidate. Look at this candlestick right here. Nice big boy candlestick right now, but it has to continue. It has to continue. Look at this. It has to continue. Nice price action. Let's see. I don't trade before 10. I'm not getting to the mess. I don't fool with the mess, everybody. I do not trade before 10 a.m. If you're on Instagram, you want to see my screen, join on to my YouTube. Join on to my YouTube. Look at that. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see how far we go. on my other screen, I got some other things over there too, everybody. So, but you guys can't see that screen. I have some other indicators over there. Look at that. Look at that. Give it all back. Let's see. Apple dropped down $6-7. Holy crap. Apple went tumbling. SPY trying to get it back right now. But it's still too early, everybody. Still too early. Still too early right now to be trying to jump in and save face. Still too early. The VIX went crazy. Now it's falling back down. Netflix. SPX. Yeah. It's too early. It's too early. Too early to see right. Too early. But look, I love the price action. The buyers are definitely right here, everybody. Remember, that demand zone, the buyers are at the demand zone right now. The buyers are at the demand zone. Buyers are at the demand zone. They definitely swooped in. Because remember, I said the play already happened. The downward play has already happened. Now we're bouncing out of this. Yeah, we're bouncing out of this demand zone. And it's looking real. It's looking nice right now, okay? It's looking nice. I would not be surprised if we actually came back into this demand zone to test again. If we do come back in this demand zone and test again, that's something to look for. So I would not be surprised if we had a big boy red candlestick happen and we come right back down here to this zone right here. Okay, right down to this zone. That would not surprise me at all. At all. Would not surprise me. That's why I do not trade the open. I'd rather sit here and just wait. Sit here and wait. Oh, man. Trade stock options. You don't want to just jump on just anything. Like you don't want to just jump on the first boat, everybody. Make sure the boat is the right boat. Make sure the boat is the right boat. Make sure it's not the Titanic. Because you don't want your boat to sink. You don't want the unsinkable boat to sink. Okay? So just be patient with it. Be patient. The market's going to be here all day long. Good morning, Octavius Israel. Good morning, Sonia Woods. What's up? That's Smith Saul. What does the flag formation mean? So basically, with that flag on the 1 year, 1 day, it basically shows that eventually a breakout is going to happen at the end of that flag. So what the flag basically shows that it's going up to the trend, up a downward trend line, down to the upward trend line. It's going to keep bouncing between that trend line, and then eventually it's going to get to the end of that trend, the end of it, to the point of a flag, right? When it comes to the point of that flag, boom, big boy shot to the upside or the downside. Lance, we're a push up, good fake out. Exactly, Lance. That push up, it could definitely be a good fake out. That's why you got to be patient and wait for it. Be patient and wait for see what the price action is going to do. That's why I don't trade. That's why I normally do not trade before 10 a.m. Unless it's just like sitting there in front of my face. I'm like, okay, I got to take this, right? But I normally do not trade before 10 a.m. If you're on Instagram, you want to see my screen, go to my YouTube channel. If you're on YouTube, hit that like button. Hit the like and subscribe button. Share this out with like 5 of your friends. Share it out with like 5 of your friends. Okay, let's see. Here we go. Nice push up though. You see it had started to turn red. Then it pushed back up on this 5-minute candlestick. Not bad. Not bad at all. This candlestick's about to close. What are we going to have here? Here we go. Some buying going on, y'all. There's definitely some buying going on. I'm telling you, I would not be surprised if I see this thing fall back down here. Let me do this right quick, just in case. Just in case. I'm going to start a small position, potentially. What time is it? It's 9:40. Potentially, nah, but wait. want to see what the price actually look like when it comes back down here. I believe we need to come back down here and test this demand zone. I want to see us test this demand zone again. All right, let's see. Amazon, Apple $6, Nvidia down $11, AMD down $2, QQQ $4. We have, what's the biggest play we have to downside? Yeah, that's strong. That's strong. So they call these the white soldiers, everybody. 3 green candlesticks are like they call it the white soldiers. White soldiers. So we officially, it's a $1 push up in the first 15 minutes so far. Let's see how we hold tight. Look at this 4-hour candlestick right here. Nice 4-hour candlestick off that bounce. Nice 4-hour candlestick right here. Nice 4-hour candlestick. Well, what in the world is happening? There we go. It's trying to retrace 50% of this candlestick right here. It's not there yet. It's almost there. Almost there. Look at the 1-hour candlestick. 1-hour candlestick, same thing. It's trying to take out. It's trying to come back. Trying to come back right here. Not bad. Not bad at all. Here we go. It's starting to roll. Starting to roll. Starting to roll. There we go. It's pushing. Nice. Nice bounce. Nice bounce, everybody. Nice bounce. I practice discipline. Man, that's a nice bounce. Good geesh, Louise. Nice bounce. Remember, why did I say this at the beginning? I said, listen, the play has already happened. The play has already happened. So the first initial play in the morning is not going to potentially be a push down. It's probably going to push up. But right now with these inflation fears, you can't be too loose with everything, I should say. Okay, let's keep going. Let's see what this candlestick close, and let's see how the next 15-minute candlestick is going to open. This candlestick right here, the next candlestick is going to open in like 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes. This candlestick right here is going to close, and the next 15-minute candlestick is going to open. So interesting to see where it actually goes from there. I should have bought some more AMD off of that draw. That's what I should have did. Yeah, I definitely should have. Man, I should have did that. That would have been a nice entry point. Nice entry point. If you're on Instagram, you want to see my screen, jump over to my YouTube channel. Jump on over to my YouTube channel. If you're on Instagram, you want to see my screen. Jump on over to my YouTube channel. All right. Less than a minute. This candlestick right here is going to close. Important. Let's see what this 15-minute candlestick close. And the next one. Oh, this is what I want to see, everybody. Let me kind of show you what I want to see. When this 15-minute candlestick close, the next one open, what we could possibly see is this. We could possibly see it. The 15-minute candlestick that's going to open is going to potentially start off red. It's going to start off red, and it's going to come down about 25% from the top. When it comes down 25% from the top, it's potential that it's going to wick and start to push back up. If it wicks and start pushing back up, that may be an entry opportunity. I may be entering too. There may be an entry opportunity for it, okay? All right, so it start off green right now. Let's see if it start off red. It should go red, come down some, come down a little bit, just a tad bit. It's coming down a tad bit. Let's see if it's going to wick and push up and go green. There go the wick. Let's see. This is what I'm talking about. It's red, okay, coming down. Let's see how far it's going to come down a little bit more. It's going to wick right here. It's red. Okay, wick. There go the wick. You guys see the wick right there? There you go. Let's see. It's red right here. It's red. There we go. All right. Now let's see what it's going to do. Is it going to wick and push back up? If it wicks and starts to push back up, that is a good sign. But if not, it's going to take out probably about more than 50% of this candlestick. Let's see. All right, now we're probably at like 25% of the candlestick right about now. All right, let's see if it's going to wick right here and push back up. Let's see. Will it do it? Will it do it? If it does not wick and push up, that means do not get into a call. Do not get into a call. And it's a potential possibility it's going to come back down here and test this demand zone. Let's see. Let's see what you going to do. What you going to do? What you going to do? Booyah. Yeah. Right here. Got to be more careful. Check this out, everybody. Got to be more careful. I knew it was something over there. Check right here. This is yesterday's bounce area. This is man, oh my God. You got to love this stuff, man. Look at this. So yesterday, everything has madness between everybody. Check this out. Look right here, everybody. Yesterday, the market came right to this spot. Look where I'm at right now. The market came right here yesterday, and it bounced off of that area yesterday. That's roughly 25% of that candlestick, or this big boy green candlestick that just happened. Look right here, everybody. When I just said this market is going to, look right here. I literally just said this thing is going to come down here and test 25% of the candlestick. That 25% of the candlestick happened to be yesterday's previous day low. Okay, so what we know is this: if we stay above this level right here, we're potentially going to push up. But if we fall beneath this level right here, we're going back down to test this demand zone. Okay, we're going back down to test that demand zone. Okay, it's very important that you always look at your previous day. Look at your previous day data. What was the previous day bounce points? Right here, bounced off of previous day yesterday. Bounced and went crazy up. It bounced off of this 443.79 yesterday and went crazy up to 446 right here to this supply zone that we have set right here in the top of that supply zone. And it rejected the top of that supply zone and fell all the way back down here. So what does that tell us today? It tells us a story today. It tells us a story today. It tells us if we break this level right here, this 443.79, we can go right back down to this demand zone. But if we stay above it, we can bounce off of this zone right here and shoot up into this supply zone, everybody. Got to be more careful. Got to be more careful. You gotta love it, right? You gotta love it. You gotta love it. If you see what I see, put a 1 in the chat. I got in multiple places, T.O. I got in multiple places I got in at 113 on my 111 on my AMD. Then I bought back in some more at like 108, I want to say. So I'm definitely down. In and out sounds right to me. I'm okay with it. Worked 15%. Little stuff, William Brown. Hey, William be killing on the low, y'all. William really be killing on the low. 15%, William. Good stuff, bro. Chris, what platform are you on? I'm on Thinkorswim. TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim now. Charles Schwab Thinkorswim. That's what I'm on. Good morning, Miss Charmaine Hills. Good morning. It's about to drop. Philip says it's about to drop. Let's see, Phil. Let's see. So right here, why is my screen doing this? All right, so right here we have, go to the 5 minute. Look how we sit on that level though. We just sitting there on that level. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, 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 beautiful. Sit on that level. Right. Here we go. We breaking beneath a little bit. Are we? This is beautiful. You gotta love it. Everybody, you gotta love it. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about when I'm talking about this stuff, everybody, whoa, here we go. These buyers not playing, man. They're not playing. Look at this. They're not playing. This, oh my gosh, you gotta love this stuff. You gotta love it. So check this out. So if you have no idea what I'm talking about, and you like this guy's just, I have no idea what he's talking out. That means you're not in. That means you're not in the game. You're not in stock options. If you want to learn more about stock options, if you're on Instagram, if you follow me on Instagram, just go to my Instagram and type in the word free on any one of my posts, and I'm going to send you a free course so you can kind of get a feel of what we do and what we're doing right now. You get it's a 3-hour free course. Okay, a 3-hour free course. If you say, man, I'm just ready to jump on in, I want a free course, I want to jump on in. October 9th, we have our next 5-day mastermind. In this mastermind, I show you everything that I do on a day-to-day basis trading stock options. Okay, everything that I do on a day-to-day basis trading stock options, so you can understand what's going on. You can participate and understand exactly what's going on. Like William Brown said, he made 15%. He at work. He made 15% profit today at work. Okay, so if you want to learn this, October 9th through October 13th, I got my next 5-day mastermind. The link is in the description box on this video. You can sign up for it there. Okay, you can sign up for it there. All right, take a look. So we right here right now, everybody. Being patient. Being patient, being patient, being patient. That's what you got to do. Be patient. This 15-minute candlestick right here is holding this level. It's holding this level. So we got a big boy burst up, right? Nice burst up off of the demand zone. And right now we're holding this level right now. Holding this level. I wouldn't be surprised if we hold this level for a couple, like 15, 20 more minutes. That would not surprise me. Also, I wouldn't be surprised if it fall back down to this demand zone and wick right back off of that demand zone. Would not be surprised if it did that. Would not be surprised if it came into this demand zone and wick back in it. Okay? All right, everybody. Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? Any questions before I jump out of here for the morning? My baby over there in the crib, he waking up. I gotta go make sure he good and taken care of. Any questions though? Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? And what you see is we had that first 15-minute candlestick push up. That's why I told everybody, be patient. Wait. Be patient. Don't just jump in and go willy-nilly. Had that first 15-minute push up, and then that 15-minute candlestick stopped right there and froze. Right? It stopped right there and froze. And when it froze, that next candlestick, 15-minute candlestick started to try to fluctuate, and started to push down. This might be the breaking point in either direction. William, I agree 100%. I agree 100%. Right now it's a battle between. Miss Tam, I use Thinkorswim. That's the platform I use. Right now it's a battle between like an offensive line and a defensive line. That's exactly what you're seeing right now. A battle between an offensive line and a defensive line. Who's going to win? Who's going to get through? Who's going to get through first? Okay. Rico Suave say DXY is pushing up right now, which is bad for the stock market. The dollar pushing up. Are you using pivots? Yes, I use pivots as well. What platform do you use to trade? I use Thinkorswim this time. I use Thinkorswim. Yesterday's spot opened at 448, and it's going to be fighting between 442 and 448. Place your bets. So you're saying you're giving us that 448 to 442 range of trading up and down, consolidate up and down in. It's not bad. It's not a bad assumption, not at all. Not bad. That's not a bad assumption at all. We just have to find a new bottom. We have to find that new bottom, right? Have to find a new bottom. Remember, everybody, make sure you have that 1 year, 1 day trend line on your SPY 1 year, 1 day. Make sure you have that trend line there, okay? Make sure you have that trend line there. 1 year, 1 day spot. Boom. We just wiped this candlestick out. Take a look right quick before I jump out of here. This candlestick just got wiped out. Look, the 15-minute time frame. That's why I told you, be patient. Right back down here to this demand zone. Right back down here to this demand zone. You got to be patient. Got to have patience. All right, once again, everybody. So if you're on YouTube right now, hit that like button, hit the share button, like button, subscribe to the channel. Also, if you go to my Instagram page, matter of fact, right now, type the word free on any one of my posts, and I will send you a free 3-hour video. VIX is moving up. That's it, VIX or VEs. Okay, got you, William. I'll send you a free course. A free 3-hour course. It's not a small rinky-dink course. This is a 3-hour course. I'm going to send it to you. Okay, if you want to learn how to do this. Okay. Also, remember, October 9th through October 13th is the next 5-day mastermind where I teach you how to trade stock options, everybody. Okay. So listen, I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good one. I'll see you right back here tomorrow morning. Everybody, y'all have a good one. As we always say, CYC, all praise to the Most High. Let's go, baby. I'm gone.